How to save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to save your TikTok drafts to your phone gallery without posting them publicly. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and also make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Once in there, all you have to do is tap on your profile option available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your TikTok profile. Now, under your profile grid, tap on the drafts and open the video you want to save. As you can see, I only have one draft option available. Now simply tap on the video. So once you tap on the video, you will get to see share icon available at the top right. You can see there is a share icon available. Tap on it. Now there you can see save with watermark option available at the top. Tap on it and save it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.